Hey guys, today we will see API testing on ContextQA with post request. If you guys haven't checked get request video, then just please check it out. And yeah, today we will continue post request. Okay, so as you guys are aware about, if you want to use the API testing, then just write here as a API and it will get the API testing platform. And once on this platform, once you write the API, we are providing the API template, and just click here, click on the three dots, and now you got the pop-up with all the information. Okay, so today we are testing the post request. Okay, so this is the one of the example. Okay, live testing endpoint. Okay, so we will use this endpoint. So basically we are posting one of the post. Okay, adding one of the post. Those are the information: request body data, title, body, and user ID, and we will get the response. Okay, with ID. Now let's start then. Okay, so this one is the endpoint. So basically you are going to add endpoint as a post request, right? So you need to add, select as a post from the drop down, right, hold the endpoint here. Okay, API endpoint, whatever it is. And once you select the post method, right, your payload option will be visible for you. So whatever the payload you want to pass, you can just add here. So I'm just copy all the payload. Okay, and paste it here. And for the testing purpose, I am clicking on the send button. Okay, and it will provide me the response. So you can see I got the response with the ID. That means that endpoint is working properly fine. Now we are moving to the next. Okay, so whatever the response, I need to store in specific variable, and that is compulsory. Okay, so what we are trying to do here, adding the post. Okay, so post detail I am just adding here. Okay, and going to the next, click on the status. So right now I'm just skipping the request response body, whole the thing. I just want to verify. Okay, so as you guys are aware about that, as a API standard, whenever you are creating any of the data, right? So right now we are creating the post. That means we are creating any of the data. So that endpoint, creating the endpoint which will gives us a 201 request response, I can say, sorry, my bad. So 201 response we will get from the creating data endpoint. Okay, so in this endpoint we will also get a 201. So I just add here as a 201. Okay, and for the description purpose, I will add here as a create post. Okay, so I will just memorize when I come back in this test case. Okay, now everything is up to set. Okay, now I'm clicking on the create button, clicking on create button again, and okay, we are good to go. Now I'm clicking on the run button. Okay, so we are seeing execution started successfully. Okay, and in a moment we will jump onto the live execution screen. Okay, so first step got pass, second step also got pass. Okay, and status also completed. Now in previous video I mentioned we will go in a two-way, right? Click on here and click on close button. So we are just click on close button here for now, for the quick purpose. Okay, and we got the result, second one. Okay, and I mention here, right, all the steps passed. That means we are getting this green signal here, and we can see both the API endpoint here. First one is the 200 and second one is the 201, this one endpoint. Okay, and we can see also whatever the data we pass in the body section as a request data. Okay, this is the response header and this is the response body. That means whatever we pass is working fine as a API testing. Okay, yep, that's it for for the today, and we will meet in a next video.